To download VS Code, open Google Chrome, type download Visual Studio Code in Google Chrome, then click on the first link. There we can see three options for Windows, Linux and Mac. So I am using Windows, click on Windows. Now on the left bottom side we can see the download is getting started. The download speed depends on your internet connectivity. If you are having a good internet connection, the download will happen quickly. So the download is getting completed now. So once the download is completed, right click on that arrow, then we can see show in folder. Click on that. Yeah, the VS Code is getting downloaded. Right click and open. Now click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Now this is the path where our VS Code will be downloaded. Click on next. Now if you want the VS Code shortcut in the start menu bar, then we can add this. If you don't want that, there is a checkbox at the bottom. So I need that, so I click on next. Now if you want the VS Code icon on the desktop, check this box, then click on next. Then we can install. So click on install. So this will be downloaded. The VS Code related, all the dependent files related to VS Code will be downloaded in this folder. So once the download is completed, we can open VS Code. So the download is getting ready. Yep. Now we can open. If you want to open, click on this launch Visual Studio Code. Then click on finish. Now we have opened VS Code. Here we can select the theme, whether you need a dark theme or whether you need a light theme. I prefer using dark theme, so you can click on dark modern theme, and there you go. Now you can start working on VS Code. So this is how we download VS Code for Windows.